Here's a strange one for you. This one's a bit of a mystery. Paslode nail gun on for repair. He's broken off the slider for the nail guide. This is the boy that pushes up on the nails. How did he break this off? How did he get this out? Without breaking it. And without breaking the actual magazine either. How did he manage this? Gun's fine. Working, plunging, unless he's dropped this or something. But the magazine isn't damaged. It's not broken, not cracked. The spring is still intact, still in place. So that's there and the top's on. How the hell did he get this out? Without breaking anything. So that's sliding in there and slides in here. It can't come out because it's big metal brackets on the top. How did he get this off without breaking anything, without opening it, and still having the spring attached to it? Unless he's dropped it and he's actually busted this here metal part off. Maybe that's what he's done, and he's just forced it back on again maybe, whilst leaving the spring in place and then forgetting this. This one is just a bit odd, but easy to fix. 3 screws, open up this magazine, you can just slide on the nail guide again. That comes out. Spring's on top. There's also how you replace the spring if you ever need to. Spring just sits in there and then slides into this part of the slider. How did he get that out? Now, unless he's disassembled it himself, but for no reason. The spring's the only thing you ever need to change in it. But that's the old spring, that's not new. So that's not the reason. I would imagine he must have dropped this thing. Dropped it, and that top plate came off. That must have popped out, and he's just forced it back on. But it's hard to put on without opening it up because you have to get the actual nail guide bar in as well. That's what just makes this one a little bit of a mystery. It's fixed now, and this will keep him up and running. But I'd still like to know how the hell he managed to get that out, because really this shouldn't be able to come out without a fight. But that's it. Reinstalled very easily and ready for work again. Little pins also aren't damaged on the gun. The rest of the gun seems alright. If it was dropped, it wasn't dropped from that high. The reed valve hasn't been crushed or anything, and the probe hasn't been bent. These can sometimes bend on you and jam up. They're very expensive to replace, but it's not damaged, so she's good to go. Anyway, that's her. That's how you reinstall your slider into the magazine if you ever somehow manage to take it out without breaking it and without opening it.